Oh, all right, everybody. My pal Yak, he's back. Yak is back. Guess what he's opening? You'll never guess. 3 more boxes. 3 more boxes. These are 7, 8, and 9 out of this case we just opened. 7, 8, and 9. But alright, I'm going to save this up here, try to get the wrappers in there. I'm running out of room behind me. Nope, I couldn't get you a wave pack in 3 straight. I tried, buddy. I did try. That's for reals. For reals. Elia Rodriguez refractor. Nick Castellanos. Jonathan Singleton. Austin Nicely. Didi Gregorius. Ryu. Sam Selman. Billy McKinney. Corey Seager. Garrett Cole. Cody Harris. Marco Gonzalez. Matt Kemp. Riley Unruh. Kyle Gibson. Michael Lorenzen. There's probably going to be a Michael Lorenzen auto somewhere in these next six boxes, either in year 3 or in the 3 remaining. Chris Rivera for the Cardinals, 53 out of 99. Blue refractor. Carlos Correa. A Lindor chocolate refractor. And the dreaded Tyler Danish auto. I'm even going to look at that one. I picked the bad box. You know why? Because I picked the bottom box. If I had picked the top box, it would have been awesome. Jeremy Hadley. Austin Meadows. Reed Harper. We got a Puig and Nolan Arenado. Alright, that was not a good box per se, but, you know, I don't want to be negative. So I'm just going to say, yeah, that wasn't the best box I've ever opened. Ever. Making room here. Alright, let's make this a better box than that crappy Danish box we just opened. John Keller, orange paper. Jared Wilson, blue paper. Justin Maffey, refractor. Corey Dickerson, refractor. Byron Buxton. Kyle Gibson. Cole Stewart. Steven Strasburg. Aaron Judge. Alex Hamire. CJ Cron, green refractor. Byron Buxton refractor. Jake Sweeney. And there he is, Michael Lorenzen. Told you he was coming eventually. First round draft pick. Cincinnati Reds. So you got Marco Gonzalez and Michael Lorenzen. They follow each other around, so makes sense. Travis Ott. Gabe Spear. Ty Afner. Alright, bud. That box was notably better than the first one, but still nothing big. Nice. Knocking over the camera. Now wait a minute, you can't tell me to pick and then get mad when I pick crap. Mike Zunino. Chance Cisco. Manny Machado. There it is. $5 Cuervo is that. They were pretty cheap. Albert Pujols. Preston Tucker blue paper. Dylan Bundy. Tom Wendell refractor auto for the Dodgers. Trevor Williams, Yasiel Puig. Addison Russell. Yeah, I mean, unless it's only got one, which normally I'd say, you know, I mean, the odds are 1.8. You know, but the last two cases have been really, really light on color, so I don't know. I mean, there should be another color auto, but shoulda, woulda, coulda, you know what I mean? Yeah, they did. They did. I agree. They did set the bar awful low. All right, bud. These are going to end up going in medium flat rate box, but I am going to send you a refund real quick here. Oh yeah, duh. I'm looking at the wrong account. All right, bud. I sent you some money. All right, here we go. Let me move these over. All right, Sarah, let's see what we can get you. All right, no wave, but maybe some color. Gabe Spear refractor. How about, oh, that's a nice card. How about a red ice Addison Russell? Okay. 25 out of 25. eBay 1 of 1. That's a nice card. Mike Trout mini. Yes, sir. Colonel Yak did the whole case. He didn't even stop. Funky Cole Medina. Didn't even stop for a breath. We could. I mean, it's got a chance at a 9.5. I think it'll get a 9 on corners because of this corner. But it could gem. Sure could. It's either gonna, you know, it looks like one of those where it could gem or it could be a 9. I mean, it's paper, so a lot of times they come back 9s. If it was chrome, I'd say definitely. John Keller. Matt Kemp. Yeah, I think I've graded 4 ice cards personally, and I got 3 9s and 1 9.5. So, you know, and I picked the ones that I was pretty confident about, and still the ice are brutal. Well, paper in general. Dustin Peterson, nice card. Dustin Peterson, 2 of 99. Dustin Peterson. Yeah, I'll just throw your Marcel Ozuna on the ground. I think the last one I graded was a Keon Wong. I think you gave it to me. Somebody gave it to me. It might have been you. And I graded it, and it came back a 9. Ian Clarkin, first-round draft pick for the Yankees. Ian Clarkin. Nice. That's nice. Mike Zunino. J.P. Crawford. Joseph Mung. Xander Bogaerts. Jacob of Nottingham. Yeah. The Zach Wheeler. Reed Harper, orange paper. Jurickson Profar mini. Ethan Carnes. Anthony Rendon. Brian Hudson. Josh Fugly. Tyler Austin. Giordano Ventura. Scooter. Oh, gold. Well, it's a good card. Corey Seager. Corey Seager for the Dodgers. Gold refractor. 49 of 50 on the Corey Seager. Dylan Manwaring, Nick Schufo. Phil Irvin for the Reds. Phil Irvin auto. Nico Spezial. Puig. Javier Baez. Randolph Gassaway. Brandon Easton. All right, bud. Last box of the case. No more wave. The only wave were those two I picked for you. I picked the wave. And that's why I couldn't pick anymore. There weren't any. Kevin Ziomek refractor. Look at that. Ethan Carnes for the Yankees, red ice. That's 2 red ice you got. 23 out of 25. Tommy Malone, Ivan Wilson, Nick Castellanos, Chance Sisco, Joseph Mung, Jonathan Gray, and Will Myers, DJ Peterson, I'm here for you, pal. John Denny. Uh-oh. Blue Nick Castellanos to 250. Nice card. Clint Frazier refractor. A little something, something. Robbie Cano. Marcelo Zuna refractor. And Mike kick him in the junk. Nick kicked him in the junk. One of those guys kicked him. Bunch of jerks. Manny Machado mini. You like that? Manny Machado mini. And Alex Wood, Colin Moran. John Denny. I'm not even going to talk about John Denny right now. Austin Kubica. Gaither Bumgarner. Jorge Soler. And that is that, buddy. I'm gonna send some minis your way, pal. A couple Clint Fraziers and a couple Colin Morans. Just because that John Denny sucked. We had the breakout. That's the 24, and the Under Armour, but that was it. No, no actual color. But the breakout autos are Man, they're rare. Let me just put it that way. I think that's like maybe 4 I've hit, 3 or 4 I've hit out of almost 150 cases, maybe 200 cases.